In this video, I'm going to walk you through installing Orderable. It's super easy, and we have an onboarding process that takes you step by step through setting it up. So Orderable is two plugins. It's the core version, Orderable, and there's Orderable Pro. And both of these plugins will need to be installed on your website. So you'll download them from the Orderable website and you're inside of your members area, and then go to plugins, click on add new, and it's the same process of installing a plugin. I'm sure you've installed a plugin before. You'll click on upload plugin and then install each of them. So I'll do that now. Okay, I've already installed the core version, and here's the pro version. I'll click on install now for this, and then I'll click on activate plugin. I activated the pro version, but not the core version. So let me activate the core version. There we go. Now, when you're here, the minute you move to another screen, such as clicking on Orderable, our onboarding process will start. Okay. Now, if you don't want to go through the onboarding process, that's entirely okay. It's going to just walk through making sure your business is set up. It'll optionally install WooCommerce for you if you don't have it installed, as well as set your initial business hours. It's a very simple setup, but you can skip it. There's an option right there. So let's begin the setup. So right here, it's saying that Orderable does require WooCommerce. And if I click this button right here, it's going to go ahead and install it. So I want to do that. I want this to install WooCommerce for me. So it's just going to download and install it. Okay, that took about 30 seconds or so. So if it takes a minute, depending on your hosting, just be patient through that process and that step. So here you want to put your business information in. And so this is going to be the business name, the address. It's very important, postal code, and your email. And there's also an option here to send your email to us so that we can keep in contact with you. If there's new features or something important that we need to communicate with you, we would like to have your email for those purposes. So of course, I'll check that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. Okay, with that filled out, I'll go ahead and click on next. And here you will choose the services that you offer. And don't worry, you can easily change any of this stuff. If you did something, maybe you made a mistake here, don't worry about it. It's very easy to change later. So I'm going to choose delivery and pickup. You don't have to choose both. If it's just pickup, that's fine. And then the days of the week that you're going to be open. So we're trying to gather your open hours. So I'm going to be open Monday through Saturday. And let's go ahead and choose our hours. I'll go 8 a.m. to say 7 p.m. And then I'll go ahead and click next, and we're literally all done. So I'll click on save and finish, and it's going to take me out of there, and it's going to take me right into here. So here's those store settings. If you made a mistake, you can easily change it right here, and you can start further customizing it. We have other videos on setting your max orders, on setting your service hours, time slots, holiday hours, and all of that. Now, there's one area where you're going to want to verify, and that is the shipping settings to make sure local delivery and local pickup was automatically created. It should be automatically created for you. So I'm going to go to WooCommerce. I'm going to go to settings, and then from here, I'm going to click on shipping. And then you can see we did create this zone automatically for you called local, and we have the flat rate for the delivery as well as the local pickup here. Now, if you want to add a cost to the delivery, just click on edit. And then right here, you can enter a delivery cost. Say it is $2.99 for delivery, and click on Save Changes. And now you've got your delivery charge in there. And the next important thing that you'll want to do is click on General. And if you have to charge sales tax, you'll want to check this box right there. Click on Save Changes. And then we have this option here that says Tax. Click on Tax. And then go down here, and we want to enter a standard tax rate. So you'll configure the options right here about the tax, what tax rate is being used, but you'll go into standard rates right here. You'll click on Insert Row, and you'll enter in your location information like that, your city, and your tax rate. And what that will do is, based upon how you've configured the taxes, it will add taxation when someone's placing an order. So for US businesses, it's going to be based on the business's location. So it's really simple. You just put the business's city and zip code in, and then when you're creating products, you would choose the products that have tax and the products that don't have tax to automatically get that in there properly. It's super easy with local pickup and delivery. And that's all there is to installing Orderable on your website.